Veganism is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle choice that goes beyond food. At its core, veganism is about excluding all animal products from one's daily life, not just in what we eat, but also in what we wear and use. To better understand veganism, let's explore some common examples of vegan and non-vegan foods. This visual comparison will help illustrate the fundamental differences in food choices between a vegan and a non-vegan diet. On the left, we have examples of vegan foods. These include fruits like apples, vegetables such as carrots, and grains like wheat. Vegan diets are entirely plant-based, deriving nutrients from a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These foods form the foundation of a vegan diet, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. On the right, we see examples of non-vegan foods. These include animal products like beef, which represents meat, milk from dairy animals, and eggs. These foods are excluded from a vegan diet because they are derived from animals. It's important to note that veganism extends beyond just avoiding meat. It also means abstaining from all animal byproducts, including dairy, eggs, and even honey. Many people choose to embark on a 30-day vegan challenge to explore the potential benefits of this lifestyle. This month-long commitment allows individuals to experience firsthand how a vegan diet might impact their health, potentially leading to improved energy levels, better digestion, or even weight loss. Moreover, it's an opportunity to understand the environmental impact of our food choices, as plant-based diets generally have a lower carbon footprint. Lastly, this challenge encourages participants to reflect on the ethical considerations surrounding animal welfare in food production. Let's examine a typical non-vegan meal plan and grocery list. Notice how it's centered around animal-based proteins like steak, chicken, cheese, and eggs. These foods are rich in protein, but also high in saturated fats, which have been linked to various health concerns. Now, let's explore how this transforms when switching to a vegan diet. The new meal plan focuses on plant-based proteins such as tofu and tempeh, which are complete proteins containing all essential amino acids. Cashew cheese and flax eggs are creative alternatives that mimic the texture and functionality of their animal-based counterparts. As we transition from red to green, observe how the meal plan, shopping cart, and refrigerator contents shift to vegan alternatives. This change represents more than just different food choices. It's a fundamental shift in dietary philosophy. Vegan diets are typically lower in saturated fat and cholesterol and higher in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This can lead to potential health benefits such as lower risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and type 2 diabetes. This transition illustrates the comprehensive nature of adopting a vegan lifestyle. It affects not just what's on your plate, but also how you shop, cook, and think about food. While it may seem challenging at first, many people find that with time and experimentation, a vegan diet can be varied, satisfying, and nutritionally complete. As we embark on our 30-day vegan challenge, let's focus on the first week where we encountered some significant hurdles. Throughout this initial week, we faced 3 primary challenges that tested our commitment to the vegan lifestyle. On day 2, we encountered our first major obstacle: intense cravings for non-vegan foods. This is a common experience when drastically changing your diet, as your body and taste buds adjust to new flavors and textures. By day 4, we confronted our second challenge: navigating social situations. Eating out with friends or attending gatherings can be tricky when following a vegan diet, as it requires careful menu selection and sometimes explaining your dietary choices to others. As we reached day 6, we realized the crucial importance of meticulously reading food labels. Many products contain hidden animal-derived ingredients, making this skill essential for maintaining a truly vegan diet. Despite these challenges, we successfully completed our first week of the vegan challenge. This achievement demonstrates our adaptability and commitment to exploring this new lifestyle. Let's recap the main challenges we faced and the progress we made during this first week of our vegan journey. These challenges, managing cravings, navigating social situations, and learning to read labels, tested our resolve. However, by overcoming them, we not only completed our first week, but also gained valuable skills and insights that will serve us throughout the rest of our vegan challenge and potentially beyond. As we explore the effects of a 30-day vegan diet, we'll focus on 3 key aspects of well-being: energy levels, digestion quality, and skin health. These line graphs will help us visualize the changes over time. Let's start with energy levels. The graph shows a remarkable upward trend. At the beginning of the experiment, participants reported an average energy level of 4 out of 10. This relatively low score might be due to the initial adjustment period as their bodies adapted to the new diet. However, as the month progressed, we see a steady climb in energy. By day 30, the average energy level reached an impressive 8 out of 10. This significant increase suggests that a plant-based diet may contribute to improved overall vitality and reduced fatigue. Now, let's examine the changes in digestion quality. The starting point of 5 out of 10 indicates that participants had average digestion before the vegan diet. As we follow the line, we see a steep improvement, ending at a near-perfect 9 out of 10. This dramatic enhancement in digestive health could be attributed to the increased fiber intake from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which are staples in a vegan diet. Better digestion often leads to improved nutrient absorption and can alleviate issues like bloating and constipation. Lastly, let's analyze the changes in skin health. The graph begins at a respectable 6 out of 10, suggesting that participants had fairly good skin health to start with. However, the upward trajectory to 9 out of 10 by the end of the month is noteworthy. This improvement might be linked to the abundance of antioxidants and vitamins found in plant-based foods, which can promote skin elasticity, hydration, and overall complexion. The removal of dairy, which some studies suggest may contribute to acne, could also play a role in this positive change. As we compare these 3 graphs side by side, we can observe a consistent pattern of improvement across all metrics. Energy levels showed the most dramatic change, with a 4-point increase. Digestion quality and skin health both improved by 3 points. It's important to note that while these results are promising, individual experiences may vary. Factors such as prior diet, lifestyle, and overall health can influence how one's body responds to a vegan diet. To visualize the effects of our 30-day vegan challenge, we've created a special calendar that tracks our daily experiences. This calendar will help us monitor 3 key aspects: our mood, sleep quality, and overall well-being. These factors can be significantly influenced by dietary changes, making them crucial indicators of how our bodies and minds are adapting to the vegan lifestyle. On day +1 of our vegan journey, we'll record our mood and sleep quality. The color of each day will represent our overall well-being, ranging from red for challenges to green for improvements. As we observe the completed calendar, a fascinating trend emerges. Notice how the colors gradually shift from reds and yellows to more vibrant greens. This visual progression represents the positive changes in our overall well-being throughout the month. The transformation suggests that our bodies are adapting to the vegan diet, potentially leading to improved energy levels and general health. Looking at the mood and sleep icons, we can see variations throughout the month. These fluctuations are normal and reflect the body's adjustment process. Some days might have been challenging, especially early on, but the overall trend points towards improvement. This visual data helps us understand that dietary changes can have a profound impact on our mental and physical states, often requiring patience as our bodies adapt to new nutritional patterns. Let's explore the fascinating changes that occurred during our 30-day vegan challenge. On the left, we have a representation of the pre-vegan lifestyle, and on the right, the post-challenge state. As we can see, there are significant changes in 3 key areas: diet, energy levels, and environmental impact. Notice how the meat icon disappears in the post-challenge circle, representing the shift to a plant-based diet. These yellow arrows highlight the key transformations. The diet arrow shows the complete shift from an omnivorous to a plant-based diet. The energy arrow points to increased vitality, while the leaf arrow represents a reduced environmental footprint. Now, let's delve into some surprising outcomes from our 30-day vegan challenge. We experienced increased energy levels and improved digestion, shown in green. Our carbon footprint also decreased, another positive impact. However, we faced some challenges too. Initial cravings for animal products, shown in red, were a hurdle. Additionally, we found that careful meal planning, highlighted in yellow, was crucial to maintain a balanced diet. Let's summarize our key takeaways from this vegan challenge. We observed positive health impacts, including better energy and digestion. The environmental benefits were clear, with a reduced carbon footprint. While we faced some challenges during the transition, such as cravings and the need for careful planning, the overall experience was overwhelmingly positive. This experiment demonstrates that even a short-term dietary change can have significant impacts on our health and the environment.